Hello, good people. This is Sherry. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Florida, and I decided to go outside and cut out the leather for an order that I need to get out this morning. I took my shoes off because I believe in grounding, so I was barefooted. So I got a twofer. I got a chance to get my grounding in, get some vitamin D, and get my order out. So that's what's going on here. This is some beautiful leather that I'm cutting. It is an order for my 10-piece leather pack that has 10 beautiful colors in it. I'll show you the colors when I pack it up. I'm cutting it right now. This is leather that I buy from Tandy Leather. It's really good quality, and the colors are just so vibrant. Many people use them with my shape templates. They use the shape templates to cut the leather shapes out and just make beautiful jewelry. Look at this purple. I love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and then I'll pack this up. So I invite you to go along with me as I pack this order up. And you'll see that I put some extras in every order, so you'll get a chance to see the extra leather that I put in this pack. And if you're new here, I'm Sherry with Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We do all kinds of DIY videos. We have over 900 DIY videos that talk about jewelry business and creating jewelry. So check us out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I have a goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you would subscribe. All right. All right, I have all my pieces cut out. These are the beautiful colors, and there are 10 bright, vibrant colors in here. And then once I'll count out the 10, I don't know if you can see me count them, but once I have the 10 counted out, you'll see that I have 2 extra pieces of leather on the bottom. This green piece and this gray piece are extras that I have included in the pack. I also am including a couple of my shape templates just to give them an idea of, how the shape templates work. This is my thank you card, my business card, and the invoice goes inside that. Well, she's all ready to go. Just need to put that label on her and take her out to the mailbox. All right, good people, thank you for coming along with me. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.